Hi, we are Tarmo and Raul. We are from plantme.org. We are a green organization who plants trees. Around the world, millions of hectares of forest are lost every year. Plantme.org believes that this reality should not be allowed to continue. Let's do something to save the forest. You have opportunity to plant trees with us. Please support us by helping organizations to buy seedlings, and you have contributed to the natural world. Members of the organization will work completely voluntarily and without charging any fee. Please take part in our project and check us out at plantme.org.